Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from your US bank account to Chime in 2025. With the latest updates in banking tech, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds for everyday needs, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your US bank account details ready, along with your Chime account information. In 2025, most major U.S. banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo support direct transfers to Chime via ACH or instant services. Start by opening your bank's mobile app or website and logging in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. Here, you'll see options for external transfers. Select Add a new account and enter your Chime account details. That's your routing number and account number, which you can find in the Chime app under Account Information. Double-check these to avoid any delays. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed, like rent payment or gift. In 2025, many banks now offer real-time confirmations, so you'll get an instant preview of fees and estimated arrival time. Fees are usually low, around $0 to $5 for ACH transfers, but always verify with your bank. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your bank's security method, such as a fingerprint, PIN, or two-factor authentication. That's it. The money should arrive in your Chime account within minutes for instant transfers or up to 1 to 2 business days for standard ones. A quick tip: if you run into issues, like a rejected transfer, check that your accounts are linked correctly or contact customer support. Always monitor your accounts for security. There you have it. Sending money from your US bank to Chime is straightforward in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.